an update to the video that I posted about cashing out on Rumble. I've got more than one profile on Rumble. I spread myself just in case. So I had one where I was able to cash out on one profile. The other profile that I was using, that I was close to cashing out on, it actually had $49.99, just about ready to cash out, and it was deleted. No warning, no, you got 100 points, therefore you're going to be, no warning whatsoever, no threats, no things like, oh, you've done this, you've now got to go and be deleted, you've committed these offences, nothing. Not a single comment came up, just all of a sudden, that channel is no longer in existence. So, let's have a look, I'll show you. Video not found. So that channel, that profile, is now completely deleted. So Rumble is actually, in many ways, in some ways it's better than YouTube if you're pushing certain agendas. However, if you're not, they'll just delete your shit rather than pay you money. Because all they care about is pushing their own agenda, which is, of course, oy vey land, oy vey land, oy vey land. But fortunately, I have no life. Therefore, all my stuff's on external drive, so I'm just going to re-upload it. So it's annoying. But the main thing that bugs me is that I like to get the message out there about certain things that are going on in the world. Like this whole thing about, you know, Israel putting asbestos in baby powder, Johnson & Johnson. If you know shit's going on and you don't do something, you're complicit. Now, I might not be able to do much sitting on the sofa, but I do what I can. And I'm not going to sit here in ignorance or say, you can't talk like that. I'll fucking talk until I'm dead. Then my ghost will fist you.